Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Lio and Lia Podcast. I am Lio, and I am feeling great today.
And I am Lia. Hello, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you.
Today is a very special day because we are talking about the most interesting person in the world.
Oh, who is that? Is it a movie star? Is it the president?
No, the most interesting person is you, the listener. Today, we are learning how to talk about yourself.
That is a great topic. When you meet new friends, when you go to a party, or when you have a job interview, you must talk about yourself.
But don't worry, it is not scary. We will make it easy. We will talk about your name, your home, your hobbies, and your personality.
And we will use our critical thinking brains today. We will ask, why do we say these things?
Listeners, make sure you are comfortable. Take a deep breath. Are you ready?
Let's start with the basics, the introduction.
The first question is always, what is your name?
It seems simple, right? My name is Lia, but there is more.
Yes, you can say, I am Lio, or my name is Lio. Both are perfect.
But what if you have a nickname? A nickname is a short name that your friends call you.
My full name is Lionel, but nobody calls me Lionel. Only my mother when she is angry. Lionel, clean your room!
Oh no, angry mothers are scary. So you say, you can call me Lio.
Exactly. This is a friendly phrase. My name is Lionel, but you can call me Lio. Critical thinking. Why are names important?
Your name is your identity. When you say someone's name correctly, it shows respect. It shows you care.
That is true. Listeners, say your name out loud right now. Practice the phrase, you can call me. Very good. Now we are friends. We know your name.
The next question is usually, where are you from?
Geography time. You can answer with your country or your city.
I am from the USA, or I am from New York.
But be careful with the grammar. We say, I am from.
Or you can say your nationality. I am American, I am Brazilian, I am Japanese.
Lio, I have a tricky question. What if I was born in one place, but I live in a different place?
Ah, this happens a lot. You can say, I am from Canada, but I live in Japan.
That is a great sentence. It tells a story. It says, I have traveled.
Critical thinking. Does where you live change who you are?
I think so. If you live near the beach, maybe you are relaxed. If you live in a big, busy city, maybe you walk fast.
True. I walk very fast because I live in the city. Zoom, zoom.
Listeners, where are you from and where do you live?
Repeat after me. I am from, take your time, but I live in.
Excellent. Now we know your location.
Okay, let's talk about your family.
This is common small talk. People ask, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
I come from a small family. I'm an only child. That means 0 brothers and 0 sisters. Just me.
Oh no, angry mothers are scary. So you say, you can call me Lia.
Exactly. This is a friendly phrase. My name is Lia, but you can call me Lia. Critical thinking. Is it better to have a big family or a small family?
If you have a big family, you have many friends, but you have to share your toys. I hate sharing my chocolate.
Lio likes his chocolate. If you're an only child, you get all the chocolate. Exactly. But sometimes it is lonely.
We also talk about pets. Do you have a pet, Lio?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He's my best friend.
Pets are family too. You can say, I have a dog, or I have a cat.
Listeners, tell us about your family. Do you have siblings, brothers or sisters?
Say, I have brothers, or I have sisters.
Now we move to a serious topic, work.
The question is, what do you do? This means, what is your job?
I am a teacher. I work in a school.
I am a writer. I work from home.
There are so many jobs: doctor, driver, engineer, student.
If you are a student, you say, I am a student. Simple.
Critical thinking. Why do we ask, what do you do?
It helps us understand a person's life. If you're a doctor, you're probably helpful and smart. If you're an artist, you're creative.
But remember, you are more than just your job. You are a person, not a machine.
Very true. Listeners, what is your job?
Answer the question, I am a...
And do you like your job? That's important too.
If you don't like it, you can say, I am looking for a new job.
Okay, work is finished. It is the weekend. Let's talk about hobbies.
This is my favorite part. Hobbies are what you do for fun.
We use the phrase, I like to, or I love to.
I like to play soccer. It keeps me strong.
I love to read books. It makes me calm.
What about cooking? Do you like to cook, Lia?
Yes, I love cooking. I make great spaghetti. What about you?
No, I am terrible at cooking. I burn the toast. The smoke alarm goes beep, beep.
Oh dear, Leo stays out of the kitchen.
Why do we need hobbies?
Because life is stressful. We need to relax. If you only work, 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 you become sad. You need to play.
Yes, adults need to play too, not just children.
Listeners, what is your hobby?
Do you watch movies? Do you listen to music?
Tell us one thing you love. I love to...
We are going deeper now. Let's describe your personality.
Are you shy or are you outgoing?
Outgoing means you like to talk to people. You're loud and friendly.
Shy means you are quiet. You like to listen.
I am usually outgoing. I talk a lot, obviously.
I am a little bit shy at first, but when I know you, I talk a lot too.
Are you funny? Do you make jokes?
I try, but sometimes my jokes are bad.
Bad jokes are the best jokes.
Are you hardworking or are you lazy?
I am hardworking on Monday. I am lazy on Sunday.
Can we change our personality?
I think so. If you are shy, you can practice speaking, like right now. You can become brave.
Yes, you can grow. That is what learning is.
Listeners, pick one word for yourself. Are you kind, funny, smart?
Say, I am a person.
Wow, Lia, look at what we did. We built a whole person.
We have the name, the home, the family, the job, the hobbies, and the personality.
If you put it all together, it sounds like a speech.
Let's try it. I will introduce myself fully. Listen carefully.
Go ahead, Lia.
Hello, my name is Lia. I am from the USA. I have a big family. I am a writer. I love to read books and cook. I am a friendly person.
That was perfect. It was short, but I know you now.
Now it is your turn, Leo.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I am Leo. I am from Canada. I have a dog named Max. I am a teacher. I like to play soccer, but I can't cook. I am an outgoing and happy person.
Amazing. Listeners, did you hear that? Leo used but. I like soccer, but I can't cook. That makes the sentence interesting.
Now this is the big moment, the challenge.
Listeners, we want you to practice your full introduction.
You can do it. Pause the podcast if you need time. Say your name, where you're from, and one hobby.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Let us know about that.
Talking about yourself is the first step to making friends in English.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you say, I am Leo, or my name Leo, people will understand you.
Connection is more important than perfection. Just smile and speak.
Listeners, you did great today. This was about 15 minutes of speaking practice.
We are so proud of you. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss our next chat.
And leave a comment. Write your introduction below. Hi, I am name. I am from country. We want to meet you.
Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day, evening, or night.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.